How to restore lost progress in Candy Crush Saga. Lost your levels? Don't panic. Let's recover your sweet progress in just a few steps. Candy Crush saves progress using a King's account, your Facebook account. On the main screen, tap the gear icon, tap Account and Help, tap My Account, and log in with Facebook and King's account. If you played using Facebook, log in with Facebook. If you use the King's account, enter your email and password. You save progress should instantly return. Still not showing? Contact support. Again, tap gear icon and tap Account and Help and tap Help Center. Tap Technical and Connection Issue. Tap any of these. Scroll until you see Contact Us and tap Contact Us. Fill out the form with username or email, your full name, and choose the topic. Also mention a description. King support team will manually restore your level, and that's it. Now you know how to restore progress in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. Have you ever lost and recovered your level? Share your story below. Like if this helped you and subscribe for more sweet Candy Crush tips. See you in the next one.